Security that it's going to be Kamara and Petro playing tomorrow. I think we have many good central midfielders. I think Kondoudis is working very hard every day, training good, very loyal to his teammates. I know that he had some very strong games in the last season under Mr. Benitez. And I obviously have noticed that. Chedin has had, I think it's his 5th season in Panathinaikos. The same, extremely loyal to the club. Is doing everything he can, like him as a player. All of them, including Kankwa, who's not, which is obviously not available for the European games for now, has their strength and has their weaknesses. Football is dynamic. That means that the players that plays now can be on the bench in tomorrow or in 2 weeks, and the players that doesn't play now can sooner or later be in the lineup. I think